Hello YouTube. What I have here today is a Hosim X07. It's a 1 through 10 scale IRC car, ready to run, 4x4. Have a couple of pictures showing in the side that I took from their website, and rotating the box here so you can see the graphics and some information. I will be giving you an unboxing and a close look on the components, and also my first impressions within the first run. So far this vehicle is holding up well, but only time will tell. I'll give you my 100% honest review on this one. So let's get started here. So out of the box you have the vehicle. It comes with two different body colors, blue and red. The remote control, a few tools, lots of body clips, a small bag that I don't really know why it's there for, a manual, and a Velcro stripe, an extra one. The suspension on the vehicle out of the box doesn't really feel that bad. The front and rear kind of feels okay. Has oil filled over coil shocks, and it has a long travel, as you can see right there. CVDs in the front and rear of the vehicle, metal, feels durable. Steering system is mounted right in the middle, which I appreciate. 45 amps ESC combo with the receiver, not my preferred method. Lots of options there. Also has a tiny brushless motor with a heatsink, but no fan. The metal CVDs you can clearly see there. Looks like it's going to hold up a great time. What I notice is that all the plastics on the A-arms feels very soft and flexible. The tires, it doesn't feel the best. Very plastic instead of rubber. Doesn't provide you the best grip. The way you remove the batteries, you have this strap that goes all the way across the vehicle, which is again not the greatest design out there. And this Amazon unit here comes with two 2S batteries. I think those are 2000 milliamps or 2.2 milliamps. Well, 2600. And it does comes with a connector that you can use both at the same time. The strap right there is fixed in the vehicle. The other one it's not. Has a not the highest quality servo. Says 3 kilograms in there. Should be enough to handle this vehicle no problem. And within my first run, did not notice this to be too weak. A little bit closer look at the ESC. The ESC, as I said, it is a combo with the receiver. You have, ports for a lot of different lights. It's a plastic case. It doesn't look like waterproofed. The lights, LED lights, doesn't have a cover, so you can clearly see the LEDs. Not the best look out there. The body have some nice graphics. I kind of like these bodies. Fortunately, I forgot to peel the protective screen on the body, so it doesn't shine as much right now, but once you do remove that small film on top of it, looks a lot better. This shot here, took it outside, get some sunlight. Again, the film is still there in the body, so once you remove that, it looks a lot better. The suspension has great travel. The LEDs in the front grille doesn't look good. I was expecting a larger brushless motor, but so far it's working well. It didn't overheat. The steering has a good angle to it, and the shock doesn't feel that bad. For bashers, I believe this will work great to go over rocks, bumps, and everything. From now on, it's going to be kind of running through the pavement and the streets, going over grass, as well as a little bit of mud and water. And after this video here, I'll be posting a video of me running this in the skate park. I'm planning to do updates as I use to see how it performs, especially regarding, durability. Within my first run, I didn't have any issues. You can see the tires doesn't have the greatest grip, and it skids all over the place, which sometimes if you're playing in the streets, you don't really want this to be rolling over all the time. I did multiple flips within the grass, didn't have any problem there, but you can see how crazy it is. It just spins out of control. Has some decent power. The remote control have all of the adjustments, actually more adjustments than I would expect for this price point. Did not have issues with range. You can do some wheelies as well, especially if you're in a high traction surface. So I hope that you have liked this video. I'll be testing this out as soon as the weather gets better. Michigan gets kind of a nasty weather at this time. Took the opportunity of my neighbor here building up a swimming pool, and I went through that dirt. Made a big mess within my neighbor's driveway, so that's not good. Fun little RC. Says it's 1 through 10 scale, but really looks like 1 through 12. It's not as big as 1 through 10. I'll leave you with this clips, and I see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.